You can say good one.
Today we're going to Huai Lam Phok Reservoir, and Jai showed me some pictures or short videos on the internet about it. It looked pretty cool, so I wanted to go see it, check it out
In
myself.
300 meters, turn right.
Huai Lam Phok Reservoir is in Sikhoraphum district, Surin Province, farther from Mueang district. Maybe
Take the second right.
How many kilometers?
It was 47 kilometers from home.
Huai Lam Phok Reservoir, a scenic view.
In 400 meters, keep right.
Awaits visitor at the Huai Lam Phok Reservoir, especially when the lotus flowers are in bloom.
That'd be cool if we see some lotus flowers.
Yeah. Oh, it's here, huh?
Keep right. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
It's big, huh? A lotus.
Oh, I see a lot of flowers, lotus flowers out
In the
here.
morning, huh?
Yeah,
Ah, yeah, it is.
yeah, I see a lot of them. Look at all the little boats.
Uh-huh. It's big area.
Yeah. So where is that?
The land
Yeah.
going.
Where is it?
I don't know. We come here first time.
These guys are out here picking these flowers. Why?
Go sell, honey. Or use it. They can eat too, honey. And the flower can use for like go to the temple, huh? And put in the west.
Oh, a lot of these boats are sunk.
Fishing. Fishing.
I don't know.
Fishing.
In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
A name or something.
Oh, here's a walkway.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, it's a spillway here. So if the lake gets too full,
Oh,
it overflows and people with their motorcycles can still cross.
oh really?
Yeah, cars just can't go.
Oh.
You have arrived.
Oh, this they saw from video, honey.
Yeah, this is the spillway.
Yeah, oh. Maybe you find some place to park, huh? Oh, here the side, honey.
Welcome to Huai.
Good Huai sub-district. Sikhoraphum Province. Oh, you can park here too, no? You cannot go on this small. อันตราย don't go.
Why don't go?
It's small.
So where is that island?
Have to ask someone. Maybe the other side or somewhere. You can roll here first.
Yeah.
Let's park around here.
much the dust as it is the rocks that throw up from this.
White lotus, this
Pink.
pink and white. Oh, people.
And go out to the soil here.
Yeah, that concrete soil.
Yeah.
Wow. I think that hospital, the big one hospital.
Look at all this. Big construction here.
Wow.
I saw this from the main road when we turned.
I think maybe around here, the they do go down in the maybe here. Oh, maybe here. That's why they come.
There's a main road.
Go here, huh? Right?
Yeah.
เขตก่อสร้างโปรดระมัดระวัง construction but I think here
I'm sure.
yeah but be careful he said be careful oh and not that come how we gonna
Move over and let him pass.
okay
If he's even coming this way.
just wait and see he gonna come this way
Okay, you turn here.
This man-made, huh?
Yeah.
Construction. Truck.
Water truck.
Yeah, water truck. You can video around here.
So you still don't know where. What does your phone say?
I think that's cyanide. Maybe that's that. I don't know, honey. They just have video or maybe here or what? Oh, turn here. Maybe both sides. Just drive around first or what? I'm not sure. Maybe. That's try to drive first. In the future, it's gonna all around people's house, baby.
Yeah, they got great.
Yeah.
They're lucky to get this.
Yeah. It's oh my God. If people
Look,
buy the land.
That's food.
Yeah. They're gonna do. I think maybe around here. That's why. Oh, here. Go here, right? Oh, this. Wow. Oh, they're gonna do like the other place that we went, huh? They're gonna sell food. Oh.
Yeah. They got it all scattered down here. A lot of
Yeah.
things.
Oh my God. Oh, cannot go.
That's all rice.
ห้ามรถผ่าน no cannot go don't go they said
So we don't keep going because it's all rice fields over here.
they said that but we just stop and I gonna ask the lady who said something just stop around here
Jai,
huh?
I'm not stirring any dust. I'm not hurting anything. You know they drive down here.
You can park here like oh in the car and
Bunch of